Hello and welcome to the Office Center channel. On this channel, I'll be covering beginner tutorials for Microsoft Excel. So, if you want to learn Excel from scratch, or you're looking to deepen your skills or knowledge about Microsoft Excel, I hope this channel can help you. In this video, I'm going to discuss a formula that you might use a lot in assignments or work. This time, we'll discuss the formula called AVERAGEIF. Or if translated, it means average if. First, I'll explain when we need to use this formula. You can use this formula when you have a set of data. Now, I have prepared simple data like this. So for example, you have data like this where you need to find the average of a data set based on certain criteria. In the sample data I have created, we will discuss a scenario where, say, there are 10 students with different genders and different scores. You then need to find the average score for male students and the average score for female students. So we're going to discuss that. The formula is very simple. The formula is equals average if open parenthesis. Then you'll see a range, a criterion or criteria, and also an average range appear. We will discuss these one by one. So the formula is, to find the average value of the male student's scores, it's equals to average if open parenthesis. Then you first select or block the data that contains the set of criteria you want to search for. After that, click F4. When you click F4, dollar signs will appear. The function of this is to lock the table or the data you just selected, so that if you drag or copy this formula, the data you've selected won't shift. It will remain locked to the original data. Next, add a semicolon. Now, you need to input the criteria. You have two ways to do this. First, you can manually type it, like typing male in quotes if you're looking for men. The second and easier way is to simply reference a cell. Click on the cell that contains your criteria, in this case, male. The formula will then search for all matching data. After that, type another semicolon. For the next step, you need to input the data that contains the data for each student. Don't forget to click F4 again so that your table doesn't shift. So, what this formula means is average if in this column there is an entry that matches the criterion we are looking for, which is Locky, male. Then the existing values will be averaged using the formula. Now you click Enter and the value will appear. If you're not sure, you can maybe check it with a calculator and calculate it yourself. But I can guarantee 100% that the average value for males is definitely correct. For the next one, what about for females? The method is easy. You can either type it in manually like before, or you can just drag it down from here. It will adjust automatically. Why does it do that? Because the table has been locked, fixed, so it will adjust directly downwards. The score table also doesn't shift because you already clicked F4. So what the formula means now is average if in this column the entry is parempoine, female, then the values will be averaged. So average if is essentially just that. It's very easy. You can use it for situations where you need to average a set of data or a value based on specific criteria. The criteria can refer to a single cell or be typed in manually. So for example, if you use text, don't forget the double quotation marks, okay? Perhaps before I end this video, you need to make sure what's written here is the same as what's in your reference table. Because if it's different, for example, the word Locky, male doesn't use a hyphen. Well, if it's like this, the formula will be wrong. So make sure what you type in the formula matches your reference table. It can't be different by a single character. Alright, that's all for this video. Hopefully you can try this out right away. Like this video if you enjoyed it, comment if you have any suggestions or feedback. And don't forget to subscribe if you want other tutorials. See you in the next video. Thank you.